Hi everyone, how are you? Today we will talk about some major topic in cybersecurity. What's talking about antivirus, EDR, XDR, and then we will continue to talk about what is MDR. First of all, I would like to welcome you to my channel. I am new on this field. I'm trying to do my best to let you have more information about what we will talk about. Please dig in line and let's start. Our antivirus, it will be our police officer, and our EDR, it will be an FBI agent, and our XDR, it will be a national guard. Now I will explain to you why I choose these characters for this scenario. First of all, we know about our police officer. It only will dig in the cases what he received from his police station, such as I want you to have this people in this home because they do this crime, or for another example, I want you to have a checkpoint in this street to check about some people. They will have their name and their civil ID number on their paper, but our FBI agents, it will be an investigator. They will investigate about some cases or some crimes is happened or it may happen. And our XDR, it will be as a national guard who are responsible to protect our border or our country. So in this way, we will start in another phase. What the police officer will do, what it have, what is power. Is power limited? Limited for what? Limited about the information what he have. So he is limited about the area what he have. He will be limited about the evidence what he have. So it's only about, think about it, it's only about databases stored in the police station, and it's provided to this police officer to stop some people for some reason. They will not do any investigation, only inherit the information and so on. That's for our police station, and same as the as long antivirus. As he have some information, he will do the rest, but he will not do any more investigation. But our FBI guys, they are looking about any incidents. It's may that thing it will be a crime. Again, a crime. It may, so it will investigate. So the main task investigation. How they will investigate? They will have more power. They are more intelligent. They have more tools. Same like our EDR. Our EDR, it will be have more power than antivirus because it will check in the behavior of our operating system, in the background, in the kernel or background of our system. It will not think about what the information I have it as a database. It will do it as intelligence way. It will have their artificial intelligence and engine inside our environment to check if this behavior is malicious, this behavior is dangerous, this behavior it will be a crime or a hack. It's about how they will think. Intelligence by this tools, by this. Some of EDR have some kind of sandboxing. any file it will receive for the EDR and he don't have any hash on it, it will go to the engine and start investigation. So the IT admin or the EDR admin, he should keep digging about what the change in the system. So that's how FBI people do. So now we think about EDR, we will start about XDR. Who's the master level of XDR? Now we will see. In our guys here, antivirus and EDR, we will go to our National Guard. National Guard, which is the XDR, which is mean extended detection and response. What our National Guard do? They are protecting our borders. They are protecting our ports such as airport, ground port, and seaport. These things need to be protected in different people and more powerful. They will stop everyone who's a threat for our country. So in this way, what we will understand. Now in your environment, you have your firewall, you will have cloud services, you will have your application, and you have your network. So it is responsible for this guy. He will do the digging. As we said before, EDR it will work in the background of your operating system, which is mean it will check about the files and these things. What about your the hackers who are trying to be as a man in the middle and check your information? How you'll protect it? It is the responsibility for XDR. So it is a sensor. It will be installed in your environment, such as you will have firewall. In this firewall, there is you can do integration with XDR, which is almost of XDR have ability to communicate with all vendors of your firewall through API integration. Your cloud, it's same thing, and API and integration. Application, it's same thing. Network, it's same thing. So it will be in the border as a sensor. So it can check your traffic everywhere. So this is in general how XDR is working. From this small screen, you can find what is the difference between XDR, what is the difference with EDR and antivirus. What you need to have it in your operating system or in your environment. This is what we will discuss in next part of this tutorial. Please keep digging. Check what out this video again. Please don't forget to like me, like my page, like my videos, subscribe, and write a comment if you need to understand more about it. This is Saleh. I'm glad to explain to you what the difference between antivirus, EDR, XDR. See you in next video, inshallah.